Well, made it to speed metal.
Exciting times. I'm like a little kid pulling up to an amusement park.
You sent it a little too,
little too hard last night's practice.
Just a little too much.
That's becoming a thing with you, man.
Too much.
Too much, just a little bit too
We gotta
much.
get you a sticker on your car that says just a little too much.
Too much.
That guy over there. What's up, gentlemen?
What's up, dude?
How you living right now, man?
Just fueling it.
Yeah?
Fueling it. You know, fueling it. Yeah, got it.
I dig it.
This is sick though. Terra did a killer job. The vendors, the trucks, the action. Like, this is gonna be an awesome day. I'm super excited for it. We brought the ramps, so the boys are gonna jump over some of the drift cars later. That's gonna be sick. Shout out to Quantum for helping put that on.
Oh, our pleasure.
I hear some tires.
Dude, that's where I was going. I heard the tires. I was like, let me go catch some of this drift real quick.
I'm cruising it too.
I'll see you guys.
Dude, just at the drift pad right now, watching everyone get sideways, just over watching everyone jump way big. Probably the tallest vertical jump we've had ever. What did you say?
I mean, there has been the 4.5 mile loop, there's been the jam session on the infield, there's been pit bike races, there's going to be live music, there's burnout, or not burnout, I should say drift course is sick, but they are burning tires.
Yeah,
I mean,
smoking, literally smoking. You'll see it when the second go by.
There's a little bit of everything here. If you missed it this year, don't miss it next year. Quantum Fuel Systems, shout out to them. We got a special little treat later for everyone to enjoy right here, where we're mixing off-road with the drift cars. Yeah, dude.
Don't miss it, and I'm sure you'll see videos on it.
Shout out to Quantum for helping put this together. They sponsored this wrap jump, yeah, it's gonna be sick. People are gonna come sliding sideways underneath the boys that are jumping it in the truck, and I am so sad it's not.